My name is Delilah Green. I should have been the Carter heir, one of New York's most powerful families, but I was switched to birth. 4 years ago, they finally found me. I thought I was coming home, but instead, they threw me in here. My own mother, my own brother, and the girl who stole my life. They framed me, sent me to prison for something I did not do. I've been rotting in this hell for 3 years.
Yeah, my shoes need cleaning. I said my shoes need cleaning. You dead or just stupid?
Stop, please, please.
Delilah Green, you're being released. Release her.
Starting today, I, Delilah Green, are cutting ties with the Carters forever.
Good luck with your life.
Thank you, officer. I'm finally free. It's time to go home to the people who actually loved me. Mr. Green, who raised me for all of these years, and my brother, Andrew.
Delilah, oh, honey, how have you been? We've missed you every single day.
Dad, I missed you so much.
Delilah, where have you been all this time? We tried everything to find you.
Dad, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to worry you. Can I come home?
What kind of silly question is that? You'll always be my daughter. Just please come home. Tell us where you are. We'll come get you right away.
Okay. I'll drop you a location. I'll wait right here.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
I'm not going anywhere with you.
Mr. Alvin!
What the hell is going on here?
Look, I'll pay you whatever you want. Just please don't tell my family about this, please.
I am your tutor, Miss Carter, and your family need to know about this.
No. So, what did you do?
Oh my God. It was an accident. I didn't mean. Delilah, you have to help me. Delilah, please help. I didn't mean.
Okay. Just breathe. Let me check on her. Is something?
He's dead. Thank God you're here. Delilah killed Mr. Alden and I saw it.
It wasn't me. She set me up. She's lying.
You're not my sister anymore.
Hey, I'm talking to you. Get in the fucking car.
God.
Let me go.
God.
Let me go.
I drove all this way to pick you up for the birthday party. So you're gonna shut up and get in the fucking car.
That's rich. My loving family suddenly remembers it's my birthday. I can't wait to see what stunt they try and pull this time. Dad, I'll be a little late. I have to stop by the Carters first. Sorry to keep you waiting.
We should just pick Delilah up at the Carters. Oh, wonderful idea. It's her birthday. Been sending those gifts to that house every single year. Now I'll finally be able to deliver her gift in person. And we should pick up something for the Carters as well.
I've already had my assistant prepare a gift. Trust me, it won't embarrass the green name. Let's go.
Here. Sophia wanted you to have this. She was less than a month. She's practically new.
I don't need it. And I don't take hand-me-downs.
She's just trying to be nice to you, and now you sound like a spoiled bitch. Look at this. Sophia gave me this. She went through every detail that I like. Not like you.
I searched all over New York to find that watch for him. And now it's her gift? The Carters do not deserve anything real from me.
Now you listen to me. When we get to the home, you gotta stop picking fights with Sophia. Do you understand me? Are you listening to me? Be a good girl, and the Carters will take good care of you. Well, let's go home.
Ethan! You're finally back! The party's about to start!
Oh, really?
Yeah! Delilah, you're out! Delilah, you're out! How was prison? Did you make any new friends?
What do you want?
Just wondering if my girls treated you well in there.
That was you?
What?
You're the one who paid them to come after me?
What do you think you're doing?
Delilah, are you okay?
What's wrong?
You touch her, and I'll make sure you rot in prison for the rest of your life.
I'm sorry. I bring the bad memories to Delilah.
No. Sweetie, don't worry. It's not your fault. You were just trying to be nice. And you go upstairs, and you make sure you wear something better. And don't you fucking dare ruin tonight's party for her family. Come on, let's go.
Of course, they never cared about me. All they care about is the Carter name. Tonight, I'll cut ties in person and go back to being Delilah Green. They really turned my room into a dump. They never believed I was coming home.
Is Delilah? Oh my god, you're back! What happened to you? Those bruises, they hurt you. Like this is in prison, didn't they?
I'm fine, Maria.
Does it hurt?
In this house, Maria's the only one who ever treated me like family.
Get Delilah down here. Party's starting. And make sure she's wearing something nice. She better not embarrass this family again.
Yes, Mr. Carter. I'll bring her down right now. Miss Delilah, please, don't upset Miss Sophia tonight. While you were gone, she's become very important to the Greens. They even send her gifts every year on her birthday.
The Greens?
Yes, the most powerful family in the States. I mean, all of this, it was supposed to be yours, if only the hospital hadn't switched to you at birth.
Everything Sophia stole from me, I'm taking it back.
Mrs. Carter, I heard the Greens are coming tonight to celebrate Sophia's birthday. That's the first new in New York high society.
The Greens are the most distinguished family in New York, and their fondness for Sophia is tremendous compliment to all of us.
So where's Sophia? I can't wait to congratulate her personally.
Oh, there she is, Miss Sophia Carter. Oh my god, who would help him?
That's the Carter family's real daughter. I heard she just got out of prison.
Delilah, what the hell are you wearing?
Delilah, it's Sophia's birthday. This is not acceptable. Go and change into something decent. Now.
So this is why you brought me here, to celebrate Sophia's birthday. What about mine?
You wanna party that bad? Fine. I'll buy you a cake on your birthday. Okay?
Do you even know when my birthday is?
Look, I'm a very busy man running a company. You can't expect me to remember every little thing.
And you? You're my mother. You remember my birthday, right?
Happy birthday, my sweet pumpkin! I asked Paris' best top shelf would ever do this cake for you.
Oh my god, Mom! You're the best! Oh.
Mom, today is my birthday too.
Maria, could you please bring chocolate cake from the kitchen for Delilah? Thank you.
Okay, right, baby?
Oh, before we start, I want to propose a toast to Sophia. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby!
I'm so dumb. I actually thought you brought me here to celebrate my birthday. But no, you don't even remember. How could you call yourself my mother?
That's enough, Dylan.
How could you call yourself my mother?
That's enough, Delilah.
Mom!
Oh!
Mom!
Oh my god!
Delilah! Oh,
Poor
this is
baby!
costume Triska Mom had it made for me. I was going to wear it to meet the Greens. Now you have ruined it! Mom!
Oh, honey bunny, are you okay? Don't worry. Mama will have the top Manhattan boutiques send their new collection now for you, okay?
What are you looking at? Beautiful, isn't it? Mr. Greens had made it for me. One of a kind.
So if you're actually proud of yourself from stealing from me?
What are you talking about?
It was a necklace. It was meant to be my gift.
Are you fucking insane?
That's enough. You humiliated this family long enough.
This is strange. Delilah's still not picking up her phone. You don't think something bad happened, do you? Delilah's still not picking up her phone. You don't think something bad happened, do you?
Relax, Andrew. It's her birthday. I'm sure she's just getting ready. Now, come on, let's go inside.
Now bow to your knees and apologize to Sophia, or I swear to God.
Or what? You'll kick me out of this family? Again? Ethan, I don't even know if I belong in this family.
Delilah, you just got out of prison and tell me, where exactly are you planning to go without us? What is?
None of your business.
After everything we've done for you, this is how you thank us.
No, it's all my fault. I will leave the Cutters if it makes Delilah happy.
No, Sophia, no. Hey. No, you're not the one that deserves to leave.
I'll tell you what. You want to cut ties with us? Fine. Just sign the agreement. Pay us $500,000 for the damage you caused to our name. Then you're free. Just sign the agreement. Pay us $500,000 for the damage you caused to our name. Then you're free.
No, it's all my fault. I'll pay for her.
Oh my God, honey bunny, you did nothing wrong. It's Delilah's fault.
My fault? Pay you? You're the ones who should be compensating me. I did time for your lies, Soph.
You ungrateful bitch. I'm gonna teach you a lesson.
Ethan, stop! You cure her!
The Green family have arrived.
Mr. Green, I am so happy you made it. It's me, Sophia Cotter. You remember, right?
Andrew.